Hello my dear children, welcome back to science class. Today we are going to start with our 6th chapter, Human Body, a Unique Machine. Human Body, a Unique Machine, 6th lesson. Okay, we all know this human body a living machine. Why we are calling this as a living machine? What do you know about living machine or a machine? Yes, we all know what is a machine. You studied in the smaller class about machine, isn't it? Can you say some examples of machine? Yes, washing machine is an example of a machine. Yes, then next one. Okay, mixer grinder is another example of machine. Yes, our computer system also an example of a machine. Then laptop, etc. So many examples we studied in the smaller class. Okay, then all these machines have different parts inside it. These all parts have its own functions, and these all parts working together to make a machine. Okay, let us look why our human body called a living machine. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് ലിവിങ് ബോഡി അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു ഹ്യൂമൻ ബോഡിയെ ലിവിങ് മെഷീൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നതെന്ന് നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. ലൈക്ക് ദീസ് മെഷീൻസ് അവർ ബോഡി ഓൾസോ ഹാവ് ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് പാർട്സ് ആൻഡ് ദീസ് ഓൾ പാർട്സ് വർക്കിംഗ് ടുഗദർ മേക്ക് അവർ ഹോൾ ബോഡി. ഓക്കെ, സോ അവർ ഹ്യൂമൻ ബോഡി ഓൾസോ എ മെഷീൻ, ബട്ട് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് എ ലിവിങ് മെഷീൻ. ഓക്കെ, then let us look our lesson 6, Human Body, a Unique Machine. All of you take your textbook, page number 45. Lesson 6, Human Body, a Unique Machine. Cell is the basic unit of life. Millions of cells make a human body. A group of connected cells, similar in structure, form a tissue. Tissues join together to make an organ. A group of organs together performing a task in a living body forms an organ system. What is the basic unit of our life? Yes, it is cells. Basic unit of our life is cells. Let us look one example. All of you see, imagine that our house. Our house has a wall, no? How our walls make? As bricks join together to make a wall, isn't it? Likewise, our body also, how it is made? Yes, cells join together. So many loads of cells in our body, and these all cells join together to make our body, whole body. അപ്പോൾ ഒത്തിരി സെൽസ് ഉണ്ട് നമ്മുടെ ബോഡിയിൽ. ഈ സെൽസ് എല്ലാം കൂടി കുറേയേറെ സെൽസ് ജോയിൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഒരു ഹ്യൂമൻ ബോഡി മൊത്തം ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിരിക്കുന്നു. Then we can say cell is the basic structure or basic unit of our life. Then these cells join together to form tissues. Cells എല്ലാം കൂടെ കൂടുമ്പോൾ എന്താവും? Cells join together to form tissues, and these tissues are joined together to form organ. We all know what is an organ. Can you say some examples of organ? There are so many examples, isn't it? We have 5 sense organs, isn't it? Which are the 5 sense organs? Yes, eyes, ears, yes, tongue, nose, and our skin. These are the 5 sense organs. So how an organ form? Yes, different tissues join together to form an organ. Okay, all of you understand? What is the basic unit? A basic unit of our life is cells. Cells join together to form tissues. Tissues join together to form organ. And this organ, so many organs join together to form organ system. Okay, organ system. Organ system. And these different organs, mainly there are 8 organ system, and this organ system join together to form our whole body. Okay, so once more, All of you say, basic unit of our life is cells. Cells join together to form tissue. Tissue join together to form organ. And this so many organs join together to form an organ system. And different system join together to make a whole body. Okay. Then, there are a number of organs associated with every system in a human body. Okay. In our one organ system, there are main 8 organ system in our body. How many organ system? Yes, 8 organ system. Each organ system have many organs. There are different organs in an organ system. ഒരു ഓർഗൻ സിസ്റ്റത്തിൽ തന്നെ പല ഓർഗൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് ഓർഗൻസ് ജോയിൻ ടുഗദർ ടു ഫോം ഓർഗൻ സിസ്റ്റം. Okay, there are number of organs associated with every system in a human body. These organs work in a very organized manner and perform the task they are meant for. The system keeps working tirelessly even when we are asleep. Okay, like our machine, washing machine, computer system, etc. In this type of machines also there are different parts, and these parts all are having their own functions. Likewise, in our human body there are different organ system, and each organ system have their own function. And when we are asleep, they are working. Okay, നമ്മൾ ഉറങ്ങുന്ന സമയത്ത് പോലും our body parts or our organ system working. Okay. The human body, which is a unique machine, can perform a number of tasks at the same time. The systems which make our body unique are, let us look which are the different organ systems in our body. First one, the skeletal